Hello everyone, welcome to Take a Walk with Me and Garden Update. I thought I would do an Aerogarden update this morning. They're growing like crazy, about the best way to put it. You can see I've got quite a bit of stuff off of them. I'm putting in a little bottle, like my own little mixture of herbs. So there's the basil right here, thyme, and parsley, Italian parsley. So they're looking pretty good, everybody. I'm really happy with it. It's just wonderful having these herbs, fresh like this. When you want some, you can just come back and get some fresh or use them dried. It just really tastes good. They're really a lot different than the old dry ones that's been in your, cupboard for months and months. But I would recommend this if any of y'all are interested in growing some herbs indoors. You can grow flowers or tomatoes or anything you really want to in it. But this one's a little small for, I think, for tomatoes maybe, but it's perfect for herbs. So I'll see you outside in a minute. It's a little bit of a nasty day today. It's Tuesday, September 29th. Current temperature is just 54. High today is only going to be 59. I can't believe that. Talk about your fall weather. Rain chance is 100%, obviously. Humidity is at 94%. There's no wind. And air quality is 13 in the good range. Yeah, it's cool out here. It just quit raining just a few minutes ago. So I'll be able to walk without my umbrella. These are the days it's kind of depressing. I hope it quits raining for a while. It's a squirrel with a nut right up there on the hill. He's gonna try to find a place to hide it. He sees me, so he's running off a little ways. Huh. Yeah, if they see me looking at him, they're like, oh, I better hide that somewhere else. He might get that. That's funny. What are y'all going to get into today? I'm not exactly for sure what we're having for dinner. We were going to have hot dogs last night, but nobody felt like them. And we ended up getting, we had some coupons from McDonald's. And, we'd taken Logan and stuff. We were all tired. We took him to his therapy. And we went to McDonald's and got buy one, get one free for the chicken sandwich, the crispy chicken sandwich. And then Logan got a quarter pounder in his coupon. He got free fries and a free drink. So that worked out pretty good. It was pretty cheap, actually, for a meal. It was plenty for us. We just shared the fries. It was a medium fry. I don't even think Logan ate any fries. Oh gosh. But everything went pretty good at Logan's therapy. He's going to be going 2 days a week. He goes this coming Friday, but after that he goes on Mondays and Thursdays. It's a train. And we're trying to be optimistic. We're hoping it'll help. And he's got to wear compression shorts and a wrap. The shorts are like almost $20 on Amazon. And, it just goes to show, insurance won't cover either thing he's got to have. He's got to have like I said, compression shorts, and he's got to have this, it's a wrap. They wanted him to wrap They wanted us to wrap both of his legs 24/7, all the way up and down, his whole legs, with these things, and they were $200 for them. You know, insurance won't cover any of it for some reason. I don't know what the deal is. But we're going to have to get the cheaper one. It only goes all the way up from your ankle to your knee instead of the whole leg. And we're only going to buy one, and it's $50. And then we're just going to alternate it between legs because we can't afford even $100, you know, for two of them. And the full-length ones are $200. That's just crazy how high it is. I guess because he's big and it's, you know, have to be like a big size. Probably more expensive. I don't know. Well, it's starting to rain again. Not hard though. It's always something, you know, but we're going to do anything we have to do, you know, to take care of Logan. We want him to get better. You know, you have to, when you're on a fixed budget, you just have to move your numbers around and do some creative financing, so to speak, sometimes to make ends meet. Yeah, it started raining a little bit again. I don't think I can use my umbrella. Okay, I need 14 questions. I was looking for Ask My Tablet. If y'all would like to see another Ask My Tablet tonight, give me your questions in the comments. If not, we should have probably, seems like we've been having enough like every other day. But that's fine. I mean, you can ask as many questions as you like. If you haven't seen this show, give it a chance. Try it out. And let's see. I don't know. I don't really have anything planned today too much. I hadn't thought, you know. I always come up with something, but I just hadn't really thought about it too much yet. Kitty woke me up twice last night. Huh. She doesn't bite on me hard, but she'll bite on me a little, just nibble enough to wake me up. She was hungry. There was already food still from the first time I put it out when she woke me up. It's like she has to have some fresh put in there or something. I don't know. I wish she would just go eat it. What's already there? Oh gosh. I'm gonna drink a coffee. Now, let's see what's going on out here. Everybody looks really good in here. A little droopy because of the cooler temperature and it raining. They kind of look, the leaves look a little. These look really good over here though. I'll take a picture of this. Nothing's been digging in there. You can see the row right there. These others, I gotta pick all these other things out that aren't in the rows. You see some rows over here too now. Pretty easy to see them. Yeah. I think I got enough room in between them this time. Starting to be able to see them a lot easier, the rows here. And look at how many peppers is going to be on that. Oh my goodness. That's going to have a bunch. There was a bunch of doves out here. I wonder if they're still up here. No. There was probably about, I don't know, 12 doves maybe out here this morning. Oh, this is about to fall over. Try that. I like to leave them some, have some water all the time in the bird bath. It's cute to see them out here taking a bath. Hi everybody, it's a little wet to walk around in the grass. You can see it's totally overcast. Oh, it's going to have some beautiful flowers on it, y'all. I can't wait for all of them to start coming out. A little nasty. Not many birds out. They're just chilling. I don't know if I'll keep it off, but I already lost 6 pounds. My doctor's saying I'm overweight. I couldn't believe that. He actually said I was obese. I don't know where he gets that from. He's new, he's not even a full doctor yet. Joy looked at me really funny when he said that. I weighed 187, but I'm 6 foot tall, I mean, I don't think I'm obese. I weighed 181 this morning. My weight fluctuates anyway. It always has with Crohn's disease. I got down to 116 pounds. Or whatever. See, if I had go into a flare, I could lose 20 pounds. Well, my shoes weigh 2 pounds, I'll bet. I bet that's... I ought to take my shoes off when they weigh me next time. It's raining harder now. You know what? Yeah, I ought to take my shoes off. And my coat off, or if I have one on or something, next time. Get down to my skivvies when they weigh me. If they're going to be saying I'm fat or whatever. I don't know how he thought that. Yeah, it's raining harder. Y'all like the sound of the rain? I'm gonna let y'all listen to the. I used to do this a lot out here and stuff. I listen to the rain. I used to leave it out here and listen to for y'all to listen to the birds and stuff. I think the rain is very calming effect. So I'm gonna get some more coffee. I'll be right back. Let me know if you enjoyed this part. I used to do this a lot when it was either raining or if I heard a lot of birds out here. For a while I did it out there at the rock. I would set it out there. Of course the flowers don't look as good now, but there'll be more bloom out there when those big ones that I've got all over. I call them stump flowers. When they bloom, it'll look nice again. It's kind of like a ASMR segment. If you like them, I can just do one whole video of things like this. Let me know what you think. So get me some questions in if y'all want to do an Ask My Tablet. If not, I've been thinking about doing a tablet time. Might could do that. Alright everybody, that's good for now. Please press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll figure out something to do later on. I'll talk to y'all later. God bless.